In connection with the Tumour project, an app was created to demonstrate 3D reconstruction of prostate cancer. This app illustrates the extent to which a single tumor can yield widely varied results and show the necessity of using a high number of samples for determining the true nature of a tumor. In this illustration, we see a tumor in a prostate cross-section. Tumors have heterogeneous compositions with regions of different genetic abnormality. The colors are used to distinguish these different regions. A sample from one region might be classified as indolent, whereas an adjacent region could show aggressive cancer. We use 3 different prognostic markers, each divided into 3: DNA ploidy, Gleason score, and P10 status. The models in the app are created with digitized H&E stained tissue sections and configured into spatial context. There are 2 types of model. The minimal models are reconstructed using 1 section from each tissue block. The extensive model is reconstructed using up to 18 sections from each block. The resected prostate specimen yields 47 blocks. The extensive model consists of 464 H&E stained tissue sections from 38 tissue blocks. There are 6 sequences to choose from in this model. The first is the section stack. This shows all of the sections configured into spatial context. Swipe the graphics to rotate and click on a section of interest to see the original image. The DNA ploidy sequence shows variations in DNA ploidy between different regions of tumor. Select a tumor marking to see the underlying section image and associated histograms. Sections and DNA ploidy sequence combines the previous 2 sequences to enhance spatial context. The Gleason score sequence shows variations in Gleason score between different regions in a tumor. Sections and Gleason score combine the previous sequence and the section stack to enhance spatial context. Volumetric interpolation is an artistic impression of tumor area in the sections. The minimal reconstruction is very similar to the extensive model. With much fewer sections, it provides the same interactivity and features an additional biomarker sequence, P10 status. The extensive reconstruction is a single patient study, whereas the minimal reconstruction format is carried out on multiple patient samples. Hopefully you have learned how to successfully navigate the app and have a greater appreciation of the subject matter. Now click on the link to open the app and investigate the reconstructions for yourself. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.